Today we celebrate the feast of St. John Vianney. John Vianney is noted for many things. One of them is his ability to overcome challenges to those things which he felt were important and to which he felt he was called. For example, John had a very difficult time learning Latin, and for a while it prevented him from being ordained to the priesthood. But he hired a personal tutor and worked very hard at learning Latin, and eventually he learned enough Latin to be able to be ordained to the priesthood. John Vianney is known most of all as a confessor. It was routine for him to spend as many as 11 or 12 hours a day in the confessional. And there were times when he actually spent as many as 16 hours in the confessional in a single day. What that tells me is that John Vianney was a reconciler. He understood God's will for the people whom he was confessor, and he understood the needs of those who came to him seeking reconciliation with God. He was, in that sense, truly a mediator of God's forgiveness, God's mercy, God's compassion. St. John Vianney, I think, then serves as an example for us. His ability, his willingness to extend to others the mercy and the forgiveness of God tells us that we need in our lives to do our best to be reconcilers, to be unifiers, to extend forgiveness to those who seek it from us, to extend the mercy of God to those who need it, to bring those in our lives together, to be unifiers, because that is God's will for us.